We are home now and the cat is there. And we will open the cat's box.
Yeah.
For first time. We'll see.
Outside. Yes.
Yes. Their original name is Def Leppard and Panther, but I think we will change the name. We will change their name. They're kinda still sniffing here and there. Maybe they will say that why is it so messy here? Yeah, because I'm so lazy. And here. Done.